Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Honor 8A versus a Samsung Galaxy A10. And A10 comes with a Exynos 7884 processor with a 2GB RAM, while the Honor 8A comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with a 2GB RAM, and it is having a new phone from Honor. So let's see how much a difference between both of these phones. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came first on the Samsung Galaxy A10 and Honor 8A is right behind. And Samsung Galaxy A10 is faster and Honor 8A is also done. About 1 or 2 second difference between both of these phones, so everything is closed up in the background. And phone dialer and faster on the Honor 8A, and Samsung Galaxy A10 is right behind. So next up is the settings, and again faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10 and Honor 8A is right behind. So launching some more application like My Files, faster on the this time Honor 8A is faster and A10 is right behind. So launching the My Clock, and that was about the same on both phones. And next up is the calendar, and I think just a tiny bit faster I feel on the Samsung Galaxy A10, and Honor 8A is right behind. So launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush. And faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10, and the first game is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and let's see Samsung Galaxy A10 is come back or not. And again faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10, and Honor 8A is right behind. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2 on both phones. Here we boom. And this time Honor 8A is faster and Samsung Galaxy A10 is right behind, about 2 or 3 second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and faster on the Honor 8A, and Samsung Galaxy A10 is right behind. So launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome on both phones, and show you guys what is the speed in internet browser between both of these phones. And I've launched the internet browser on both phones and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and the first website is the wikipedia.org. And faster on the Honor 8A just a tiny bit, and Samsung Galaxy A10 is right behind, half second difference there. So next up is the gsubmarina.com, and I think Honor 8A is faster. Yes, it is faster, and Samsung Galaxy A10 is also done, about half a second difference there. And you can see, and the up and down scrolling is very smooth on both phones, and I can't zooming in and out on both phones. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, and both phones comes with a 2GB RAM. So let's see, and first is having a phone dialer, and that got refresh on both phones, and the 2GB RAM is not enough for handling this all the application in the background for a long time. Let's see who is best, and again refresh on both phones, and I think that is not refresh on the Honor 8A. Same thing with the Samsung Galaxy A10 in this time, and you guys are the judge of the speed test, which phone is faster or not when it comes of apps opening speed. And you can see refresh applications. And last is having a internet browser on both phones. Refresh, and overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10 and the system based application faster on the Honor 8A. RAM management is very bad on both phones. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates in the future. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Honor 8A versus a Samsung Galaxy A10. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.